my name is Shruti and welcome to my channel Fun with Shruti, and today I'm going to show you my terrace garden. As you can see my background, I'm here at the terrace garden, so let's start. So here we have jade, and it is a 20 years old plant, and the stem is really strong now, as you can see here. It is really strong and we can't take it out for a while. So yes guys, and it is known as a lucky plant. So that's, and actually we have it like most of it. So come on, let's move to the next. This is our rack where we keep these small planters, and we have planted these plants, and here we have the flower pots, the hangers, and I love these ones because see, you can see here they have actually so many colored flowers as baby pink, yellow, and you can see there is a white over there, there's a hot pink, so cute. I love this one. And we have a lot of tulsi. There are actually two kinds of tulsis, and this one, as you can see here, this blue pot, it is Rama Tulsi, and let's go there. And this one is Shama Tulsi. The difference between these two is that Shama Tulsi is pink like all the green, and it have a kind of different shades between them. And Shama Tulsi is like dark greenish and a little bit of bluish purplish. So that's the difference. And this is the bushiest plant we have. It is kind of spiky, so please don't touch it a lot. This is the elephant bush, and actually when we plant it in the ground, we have planted in a pot right now. When we plant it into the ground, it actually will be a big gigantic bush. It is so nice. And next we have white lily, and their flowers are so awesome. You should plant this one. And this is red lily. This one is red lily. Ow! As you can see, we have lots of hanging plants. And we have a lot of varieties of money plant. As you can see, this big gigantic leaf, and this one, and these ones. These all are these are all different kinds of money plants, and we have all three of them. Not all three, all of them. And let's come on. And this is a homemade fountain. Let me show you. As you can see, this fountain is kind of nice, and we have planted jade atop of it, as you can see. So I love this one. So now we have rose. Guys, never touch rose because it has spikes in it. So here's rose, and we have snake plant, and here we have spider lily. Spider lily. Next we have, where is it? Oh yeah, we have jasmine, and it smells really good at the night. You should try it. And next we have, see guys, this is a rack, and we have planted whole jade. We have a whole collection of jade, as you can see over right there in the starting, and at the last over here. And we have more jade over right here. Oh, these are strong too. Ow. These are strong too. And this is my old, when I was little, my bicycle. When I was little, I ride it on. As you can see, it actually works right now too. But we did a little craft. We did a little artwork on it, and now it's a decoration for my terrace garden, as you can see. So next we have, where is it? Oh yeah, This is another spider lily, but it's the biggest one. And ow, I don't know what this plant is, but it's kind of nice because it has two colors and it has different shades of green and red at the bottom. I don't know what this is, but I will tell you in my next video. Okay, so here we have other. We have a lot of other over here. Two plants of, and we have a lot of hanging plants, as you can see, in different shapes, like this pot shape and this circle shape. We have different kind of colors to make our terrace garden more like a flower. So as you can see, it is already a flower theme. And in the early morning, before my online classes, I come here and water my plants, my beautiful plants, and then I just, in my free time, I come to my terrace garden and nicely water them, take care of them, and plant some more plants. So that, and in the afternoon sometimes I come here and start planting again and again. I make some crafts from bottles and more things like from caps and water them. And I love the rose because the smell the smell of the rose, the fragrance of the rose is so nice. Come here, guys. This is kind of puppy in my head. So then we have one more snake plant and we have another snake plant over right here. So we have 4 snake plants in our terrace garden. I think I will plant one more or few more snake plants in it. So, and as you can see, these planters, we made them at home from a piece of cloth, and we covered them from cement, put a brick or a round shape thing in it or something. You can put a planter if you have, you can do that. And when it dries, take the center part off and you can plant in them. I know, it's so pretty. And I want to show you one more thing. That it's a vase and we have planted jade. As I forgot to tell you one thing that it is a hanging plant. It will look very nice in a hanging plant. So we did it, and when it will grow a huge amount of jade, and it will look like a hair. I don't know when your hair will grow. Oh my goodness! It was a honeybee. It's great. It didn't bite me. So we made it at home from this soap bottle. We cutted the top and painted. So and I hope you like my video, guys. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe my channel. And I hope you like this video. So we will meet you at my next video. Take care and bye bye.